Let's dive into some fitting ways to use the word carry into your conversations. Let's get started. Carry on. Carry on means to continue or proceed with an activity. Despite the setback, they decided to carry on with the project. Carry out. Carry out means to perform or complete a task or activity. The team will carry out a thorough investigation into the matter. Carry off. Carry off means to execute or achieve something successfully. She was able to carry off the challenging dance routine flawlessly. Carry through. Carry through means to bring something to completion or to follow through on a commitment. It's important to carry through with your promises to build trust. Carry away. Carry away means to be excessively or emotionally affected by something. The breathtaking performance carried away the audience with emotions. And there you have it. Practice using these phrasal verbs, and you'll carry your language skills to new heights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, happy learning!